Hello, Manojit. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. We'll
Yeah.
start the session now.
Okay.
Okay, we have seen the consumption billing scenario and as well as a flat rate
Yes.
scenario, correct? So in
Yes.
that,
Yes.
do you have any questions? Do you
No,
have
it's
any
fine.
questions
I have.
in that scenarios?
No, it's fine. I have already tried in my actually office today.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Now we'll see the billing execution and as well as invoicing part, and then no, actually today morning I have tried to configure the some R3 settings, MM and PM settings, but the server it was not up, so that's the reason I could not have done that. Otherwise today we would have seen the billing and other stuff. Now we'll see the billing execution, billing documents.
Okay.
See, basically we in any company they use document type VA as a consumption billing and final billing, that is SA is the final billing, and MN is the manual billing. These are the billing documents in any company they use it. Okay. Remaining things, simulation, in particularly in UK projects they use the simulation in the sense, when you create the simulation document, it's not exactly original document, it's a simulated line items. It will not, when you create the simulated document, I mean billing document, or for example if you create a simulated invoice document, usually if you create the invoice, the amount it will be posted to FICA. Whereas in here, if you create a simulated invoice, the amount will not be posted to FICA part. It's only it gives the line items.
Okay.
Okay. So that is the simulation basically. And consumption billing. In the consumption billing, it's nothing but a periodic billing. Whenever you will be bill the consumption for the customers, it's called consumption billing. And manual billing. In manual billing, basically, we have one transaction code ES16. Using this manual billing, you can do the credit and you can pass the credit and as well as the debit amount in the billing documents. With the manual billing, you can create the invoice for that. For that, for creating a manual billing, we use that transaction code ES16. Okay, we'll discuss it in the next session about the manual billing. It's a very important. Okay, just as of now, for creating the these documents, just go to the new entries. Someone has done this configuration actually. Just go to the new entries. If you have, if you want to create some new documents or something, for example, VB invoice, like this, you can create it. Okay. I'm not saving this one. Usually these are the standard documents we use it at the time of a billing. Okay. The object name is ISU ERCH. This is the object name for this. And then we need to create the number ranges for this. While creating billing document, we have individual process and as well as mass process. If you want to create a single bill, I mean individual process, we'll be using the transaction code EASIBI. Okay.
EasyB. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. And as well as one more transaction code also it is there. That is EA00. Using these transaction codes, we can create the billing document.
Yes.
And whereas if it is in mass process, we have one transaction code EA38.
EA38. Yes.
Okay, so using this transaction code, we can create the mass transaction. There we'll give the input as a portion, so that in the portion is nothing but a group of contracts, right? So whatever the contracts, billable contracts are existing for that portion, if you maintain the meter reading order and as well as billing order, it picks the meter reading order, billing order, and billing document will be created in year 38. Okay. So these two processes are available. For this, we need to, for generating the billing document number, we need to assign the number ranges for this.
Okay.
Now we'll create the number ranges. See, here is the place we need to create the number ranges. Okay. Basically, here someone has created only one number range, right? So usually in a mass process, EA38, basically it's a parallel process. That means at a time 10 there is we can differentiate the, or we can assign the different intervals. So at the same time,
in our case, in our production batch, it is 60 intervals are there. So at a time, 60 resources parallelly run in order to process those mass jobs. EA38.
Correct. That's correct. So basically, there some variant it will be there. We need to generate the variant, assign the same variant there, and then we need to assign the application server. After that, while creating the variant, whatever the interval you give, okay, it will divide based on that interval, and parallelly it will be executed. Okay, that one after configuration I'll show you all these things.
Okay.
So here basically we need to go to the interval and 0 to just wait. Usually in real time we will be assigning lakhs gap. Okay, it's our testing server. That is the reason I'm assigning hundreds.
Okay, no problem.
Let's take these 4. Okay, we'll take one more one. Okay, so after that just save it. So here we have defined the number ranges, right? So we need to assign these number ranges over here. Basically, consumption billing, that means it's a periodic billing. When you use EA38 transaction, there will be one field we have, that is a billing transaction. In that billing transaction, whether you want to create that particular portion for consumption billing, I think it's like a periodic billing, or you wanted to create a final billing. If it is a final billing, the billing transaction it will be 03. If it is a, I'll show you.
Yeah. Hello. Hello.
without configuration we cannot see the hello. Yes, Manojit.
Yeah. Actually, your
hearing
voice
you.
was breaking.
Okay. Think yeah, it has come, right? See, this is the billing transaction. Okay, here date ID we will give and identification number we will give it over here, and then we'll see. And okay, so this is the billing transaction. Okay, if it is a periodic billing, you can give 01. If it is interim billing, 02, and if it is final billing, 03. Usually this parallel job will be assigned it for periodic billing, and then usually, you know, if you have if you want to execute this parallel job at a division base, then you can assign the division here, or else we can give the portion.
Okay.
We have different portions here. Just you can give the range also from if it is 1000 to 2000 range also you can give it here. And then billing parameters is a schedule bill date. Okay, this is schedule bill date, you can give it that. And the technical settings. In this is technical settings. Now we need to create the variant maintenance. If you click on this variant maintenance, we need to create the variant for this. Just go here, give some variant.
Okay.
For example, it's a Kolkata. It's a Kolkata, and interval length. Interval length we'll see 15. Okay, and then execute it. So like this, you know, after configuration we can do this. Just to go over here and actually like this you can create the variant. After creating variant, select the variant and we need to generate this one. Okay, like this.
Okay.
After generating that one, and then we need to assign the variant here. Okay, and then you can distribute the load. For example, at a time, you know, when you execute it for lakhs of the billing documents, it will be loaded in the server level, right? So for that you can distribute the load also. You can give the server name, and as well as here also you can split the load. Okay, after that is the logs. After executing that one, you can see the logs.
Okay.
So now we have saved it. So if you go over here, you can see the logs here. For that, you know, we need to execute the schedule program run, but because, you know, we are not to generate the variant, so it is not possible to execute it now. Okay, so after this configuration we can see. So in this variant program, for this, you know,
So when I can
for
see
example,
that completion of this work.
See, basically in these technical settings we need to create the variant program. In that variant program, I mean in this variant, we need to assign it here and then check the explicit load distribution and assign the application here. Okay, after doing these settings, you need to save the this mass activity. After that, schedule program run. You need to execute this one. Okay, when you execute this one, I'll show you. Saved, then schedule program run. Here, if you want to start immediately, you can start immediately, or else you can schedule the batch job also. Okay, so after doing this one, you will start immediately. Okay, or else if you want to schedule it, you can give the 04 something, some date, and you can schedule it for tomorrow also. Okay, or else start immediately, press on OK. Okay, this is the way to execute the mass billing activity, right? So that means in mass activity level, so at a time 10 billing documents will be processed. So at a time 10 billing documents will be created automatically. Okay. So for this, we need to assign the number ranges also. Okay. So here, just to go to the configuration level, just select this one and go to the number range mass processing. Go to the new entry. We have created number ranges. Select this one, go to the select this one, go to the new entries. Now click on this. Usually it should propose the number. Okay. Like this, we need to assign the number ranges for this. Okay. Like the same way, for final billing also you can give the number ranges. Same number range you can assign. Select this one, go to the new entries. Usually, different numbers will be assigned over here. Not the actually here we are for testing purpose we are assigning the same number ranges. In real time, they'll be will be created 50 or 60 number ranges. All these 50, 60 number ranges will be maintaining it over here. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to execute it only individual invoices, these number ranges for mass processing is not required. Just assign the only one
Okay.
number range, 0, 1 or something. That is enough. If you want to execute it in mass level, parallel process level, then you need to select this one, go over here, and then assign the number ranges like this.
Okay.
Okay. You have any questions here? It's a one-time
No,
activity
it's fine.
basically. Once you assign the number ranges,
Yeah.
it will not be changed again and again. Whereas in your rates and rate steps, schemas, and schema logics, and as well as this one prices, it will keep on changing. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. This is the, so basically here we have no, just remember these three documents: consumption billing, SCA is the final billing, and MN is the manual billing. Okay, these three are important.
Okay. Okay.
Define number ranges for billing documents. Here also send like this. Set. So now we have defined the number range, I mean documents, right? So here, SAP has provided document type categories. Okay, so we need to assign whatever the documents you have defined to these standard document types. Okay, just to go to the new entries. Someone has already done it. Now if you want to do it, just go to the new entries and you can do it. Now already someone has assigned it. Okay, so this is a consumption billing. It's a SAP standard document categories. Okay, this one: consumption billing, final billing, unbilled revenue reporting, simulation, and manual billing. Okay, so for consumption billing VA, for final billing SA, unbilled revenue report to BA, simulation SI, and manual billing MN. These are the settings we need to do it. If you are doing fresh implementation, just go to the new entry and you can assign the document category and document type. It's a your own defined document type. Okay, it will be like that. And then simulation, number ranges for simulation. When you define the number ranges at in billing document level, so automatically for simulation also it will be copied. So the same number ranges, so you can view over here. Okay, so the same number ranges you can assign it in the simulation document level. Just click on this one, and then for simulation, yes, here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I is the simulation. So just click on this one. Go to the new trees. Document type is SI, and the number range 01. Like this. You can assign. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
After that, define document types for document category for simulation assignment. Already we have done it. Okay. In one place we have done it everything.
Okay.
Usually in a system level, individually it will ask. Even manual billing time also it will ask. Okay. So till here it is important. Now we will go to the manual billing process. In the manual billing, basically, if you want to create a credit or debit billing document using the manual billing, you can create it. In SAP ISU ISU level, we have SAP has provided one facility that without billing order or without existing billing order and meter reading order, you can create the manual billing. Okay, using the transaction code ES16. If you want to use the existing billing order, using the existing billing order and existing billing document and existing billing document line items, using those line items also you can create the manual billing. When you create a manual billing, I'll show you. Just we need to define the number ranges here the same way, and then my manual document is MN, so already I've assigned it over here. Okay, so now we'll try to create one manual billing document. So /O ES16. For this actually we need a contract. Without contract, okay, we'll create one dummy contract for this. See, it's a dummy contract. Using this, it's not a billable contract. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, Manojit. Yeah, it's a dummy contract.
Hello,
Basically, in the ISU side, you can create a billable contract and as well as one dummy contract. Usually companies they don't use this dummy contract. For just for your understanding, for your knowledge purpose, I'm telling you. Usually, just don't remember also this one. It's a dummy contract. You can create it.
Okay.
In some scenarios, it will come up like some scenarios like some contract, some legal issues will be there. Okay, like court cases or something. So those court cases, if a customer wants to pay some amount, in those cases with reference to contract account, they'll create a dummy contract like this, and then they'll accept the money from the customer. Okay,
Okay.
it's it may be different between scenario to scenario. So we'll use this dummy contract, but using this dummy contract we cannot create the billing. We need to do the moving.
Okay.
Now go to slash and ES16. Okay, so this is when you click on this one, that's what installation does not exist. Without moving we cannot create it actually. So after creating moving I will show you, okay, about this one.
Okay.
Probably tomorrow, by tomorrow I think I'll be complete this configuration. I mean not this configuration, some backend settings, so that we'll create one moving and then we'll see all the billing scenarios. After that we'll start the DM.
Okay.
In your project you can
Hello. Hello. Hello.
yeah
Yeah.
just a minute. Okay. Just go to slash and ES16 transaction. Just select any contract for this. So here is the place, we need to assign the suitable rate type. Okay, so if you want to give the credit or debit amount, you can mention the debit or credit amount here like this, 200 or something. Okay, then save it. See, this is the document number. It's been creating the document number. Some account determination problem is there. So like this, now we can create the manual billing. We need to if it is 200 rupees, whatever the amount it is, if it is a credit amount or debit amount, you can give the debit or credit amounts, and then just you need to assign the proper rate type and rate category, so that you can complete the this one, manual billing. In some cases, you can copy the existing billing line items, and then you can create the document for that. Like just take one example as a take one example for the okay, I am taking this as a billing document. Click on this one. See, these are the amounts are existing, 60 rupees, 120 rupees and all. If you want to process only these two line items, select these two line items, okay, and then transfer it. When you transfer these two line items, it will be copied and it will be transferred with the meter rate type, fact group, everything will be copied. After that, you can save the document like this, so that document number will be generated. This 3706 is the document number. So this 10 rupees credit amount, it's been creating. So after creating the this manual billing document, okay, so you cannot create the invoice with whatever the billing document which you have generated now. You need to release it. Just go to the change mode, okay, and then we have here release flag. Sorry,
Your screen is not showing. It will be slow.
okay, just go to the ES17 transaction /n ES17, okay, and then give the billing document number here like this. Click on the billing document number, and then here we have the option like releasing it for invoicing. Okay.
Okay.
When you click on this one, releasing it for invoicing, and then save the document. Then you have released it for invoice, so you cannot do any changes in this existing document. So using this document, you can create the invoice.
Okay.
Okay. That is the way we need to do it. For this, some configuration we need to perform. I'll probably by tomorrow I'll be completing it, and then we'll see all the scenarios.
Okay.
So this is what about the manual billing document. Okay.
Okay.
I'll show you here. Have you practiced master data and other stuff?
Yes, yes,
You're
yes.
aware about that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See here there is no billing document is existing, correct? So for this installation also we can create a manual billing like
Okay.
you have seen, right? Just to give you the contract
Mm-hmm.
number here. Contract is 450. Okay, so whatever the fields are required, just to give those required fields and save it. That one we can do it. Or else,
Okay.
with reference to billing order also we can create the manual billing. For example, just copy this one.
Okay.
/o will create one scenario. I'll explain you the entire this process. Okay, just as of now we'll create one scenario. I'll Okay, now if you look into the installation level, we have the we'll have one billing order. It will be activated here. See, this is the billing order is available now. Okay.
Why it is marked as
Yes.
red?
I think the readings are become implausible. That is the reason it's
Okay.
in the red. So just release it. Now if you refresh it,
Yes.
now with this billing order you can create the in this one, yes, manual billing. Reading date is 04082010. See, that's what it has been asking. When you click on this one, contract contains billing orders. Do you want to bill it? I mean, with reference to billing order, you want to bill it. That's what it's asking. If you click on yes, then it will show the contract, installation, schedule, bill date, and portion, everything it will show. Okay. Then give the rate types. Remaining stuff is common. Give the rate type. It's fixed energy. Let's give like this. See, now we have created the manual billing document, right? If you look into the installation billing document level, if you come over here, the billing order is gone. Okay, we have not created the normal billing using EASIBI. When you create a bill using the transaction EASIBI or EA00, then only if you whenever you create the manual billing document, the time this billing order will be disappear, it will be deleted automatically. Okay, when you delete this billing document, for example, just go to the change mode. I am deleting this existing billing document. When you delete it, okay, so that automatically this billing order, it will be reappeared. When you refresh it, it will be reappeared. It will be reappeared like this. Okay, so using this manual billing, with the billing order, without billing order, sorry, with the bill, correct, with the billing order, without billing order, you can generate a billing document. Okay. If billing order is existing, in those cases, if you create a billing document, then billing order will be deleted. Whenever you delete the manual billing document, then billing order will be regenerated.
Okay.
Okay. This is the concept of the manual billing. Okay, so then we have outsorting scenario. Then outsorting and billing reversal, these are the things we'll look into tomorrow. We'll see. Okay, because for this we need a billing document. Okay, without billing document we cannot do anything. So tomorrow I'll complete the required things, and then we will create the billing document, and then different scenarios also we will see. Like we have created schemas, right? So those scenarios we will see. Meanwhile, if you have your own server,
tomorrow at what time?
Oh, tomorrow is Saturday, right? Okay. Tomorrow, just afternoon. Is it okay for you?
Yeah. 3 to 5.
Yeah, 3 to 5 is okay. Fine. We'll meet 3 to 5.
Then, I'm telling Sai about that arrangement.
Yeah, 3 to 5 is okay. Fine for me. Okay, just inform to Sai. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, Manoj. Thank you.